In the previous video, we got acquainted with room to divide the function space in a floor. Today, we will be familiar with story, which is a feature for vertical space division. With this tool, we will assign the name to the function space for stories. This will help us manage and statistics these spaces easily. First, we go to Finish Task, select Story. Then select Properties. With DIN27, Land Act, we can choose the type of function according to the standard DIN277. Land Act. Select the checkbox here to add the floor area of the building. Next, keep the Add in Full to Story area, Full Story option. For DIN277 Attribute Static Box, we can choose the type of enclosure. For example, type R for enclosed areas. Type of area. You will choose the calculation method, gross floor area and floor volume. Example, type R. Or more simply, the area type you will create is shown below. You just need to click on the desired location, lobby or ground floor. Finally, the Story tab. Regarding the attributes for story, we can name F1 and its tangtre functions are similar to those of the room object. General attributes. Additional text notes summarizing all of the attributes we have just defined. Include name, height, standard abbreviations, function, etc. Height static box to define the height of the story, top and bottom levels assigned to the positioning plane. And this is the list of vertical covering layers such as paint and wall tiles. You also enter and define the material, thickness, surface in 3D and height according to room. After you have defined all attributes, click OK. Then select the points of defined boundaries by clicking each point. After clicking Done, the format for the floor labels will appear. You can choose settings that are similar to the ones of the room in the previous lesson. You can choose a predefined style. Or choose the default and select the desired attributes. Here, I just need to show the name and area of the floor only, so turn off the remaining parameters. Font size can also be adjusted as follows. Then placed it in the right position and we have a space for the first story. The same way for the next story. So we have just used the Stories tool to define the functional space vertically. In the next lesson, I will introduce to you about the furniture and library in Allplan.